Welcome to week 3. Good evening, everyone. Hope you're having a good weekend. It sure feels like spring out there. We now have concluded 2 whole weeks of classes. In an 8-week course is the equivalent of 1/4 of the course or 1 month of the class in a regular semester. So here we go on to week 3. Here are some items for you to be aware of this week. Please take a look at the schedule below. Please look at the calendar found at the end of the syllabus and as presented above. Here's where you'll see the topics being covered this week. Yes, 2 new chapters or the equivalent of 2 more weeks worth of work. Please pay particular attention to the due dates for the various activities, assignments, and exams. You can also find reminders for when assignments are due on the calendar or Blackboard. Here is a summary of what is coming due this week. The Cultural Geography News number 2 is due Friday, April 19th by 11:59 p.m. The Cultural Geography Special Topic number 2 is due Saturday, April 20th by 11:59 p.m. These 2 discussions will be available by Wednesday and Thursday respectively. Last time we had this discussion, most students in the class submitted Geography News number 1, and most submitted the Special Geography Topics number 1 on migration at the U.S.-Mexico border. About 12 of you did not submit these comments. You have to remember that these are 2 different assignments. And the further away you are from the due days, the more points will be deducted. Many of you are forgetting to incorporate material from the lectures or the textbook as you are required to do so. Please remember to review the lectures posted on the modules, read the lecture slides on the PowerPoints, listen and watch the YouTube narrations of the lectures for each key issue. There are 4 per chapter for each key issue. Read the respective textbook pages as indicated on the schedule. And last but not least, read the accompanying study guides. The study guide is a condensed version of the textbook. Think of it as the words the professor will speak in a face-to-face class while he lectures. Reflection number 1 was due Saturday, April 13 by 11:59 p.m. This is an activity where you compile the information you have read in all of the content areas and reflect on what you have learned by writing paragraphs about the topics that to reflect on. Please read the directions carefully to make sure you earn the maximum number of points available. 18 of you still have not submitted the assignment as of tonight. And exam number 1 for chapters 1 through 4 is due tonight, Sunday, April 14 by 11:59 p.m. It is worth 100 points. Remember that you can always submit these, but you will lose points if they are submitted late. Please remember to log into the course at least daily so I can see that you're active in the class. A few students will likely be dropped soon due to not having logged in at least a week. This is the same as you are missing class for 2 weeks in a face-to-face class. These students will be notified, and if they do not respond, they will be dropped from the course. I monitor closely your activity in the course, and this is how I take attendance in an online course. If you were recently added to the class, you need to log in Blackboard as soon as possible and catch up with the 2 weeks worth of activities. Have a great rest of the weekend, and we will see you Sunday. We will see you online. Have a good Sunday. Best, Samuel Cortez.